This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to how to find archived chats on LinkedIn. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. LinkedIn is a social networking platform specifically for professionals to connect with colleagues, build their online user resume, find jobs, and discover career opportunities and industry news. Users can create profiles, highlight their skills and experience from professional networks, join industry-specific groups, share content, and engage with others to stay updated on professional trends. So in this video, on my previous video, I've shown you how to archive chats on your LinkedIn. But now, what if you just accidentally archive chat? Now you want to see that chat, but you don't know how to do it, how to find the archived chats. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our LinkedIn app. You can log in into your account, of course. After that, you can just go to inbox by tapping on the upper right corner here. And from here, if you see in here, there's an option like to see your archive. If you check in here, here's all filters, all in mail. So to check your archive chat, you can just tap on focus in here, and you'll find there's like folders will be appear on your screen, and you'll find there is an option archive. You can just tap on that. So here's all the archive chat will be stored on your LinkedIn message. It's very simple, right? And if you want to unarchive, you can just tap and hold on the message or chat that you want to unarchive, and you can just choose on restore. It's very simple, right? So that is how to find archived chat on LinkedIn. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.